Welcome everyone. So today what we are going to do is that we are going to figure out how to solve these kind of questions. So here we have what 4 into x raised to 0.75. Now this is quite tricky. Okay, minus 8 equals to 0. So what we'll do is we'll try to do something which is very obvious to all of us. So first we'll do what plus 8 on both sides. So here this minus 8 and plus 8 will get cancelled. So you're just left with what 4 into x raised to 0.75 is equal to 0 plus 8 gets you just 8. Now, like I said, we'll first try to shift all the numbers on one side of the equal to and keep the variable on another side of the equal to. So here we'll divide both sides by 4. So this is cancelling. So here you're left with what x raised to 0.75 is equal to 2. Now this is where things get tricky. Okay, so remember, like when you have a decimal, you can always write it in what fraction form. 0.75 can also be written as what 75 upon 100, right? And this we know that after cancelling we get 4s and 3s, both of them go in 25 stable. Therefore I can say 0.75 can also be written as 3 upon 4, right? So here what we'll say, instead of x raised to 0.75, I can now say that we'll write x as nothing but what raised to 3 upon 4 is equal to 2. Okay. Now in order to find the value of x, you need to shift the index on another side. So here, since there is what divide by 4, or here we have raised to 3 first. Okay, so we will take what cube root on both sides. Okay, so when I do that, I will be taking 1/3 power on both sides. So now remember, x raised to 3 upon 4. Okay, remember one thing, a raised to m, the whole raised to n, can also be written as what a raised to m into n. So similarly, 3 upon 4 gets multiplied by 1 upon 3. Okay, and this remains 2 raised to 1 upon 3 as it is. Okay, so this is cancelling. So now we're left with what x raised to 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 raised to 1 upon 3. Now still you need to get rid of 1 upon 4 in the index in your LHS. So what we'll do, we'll take the fourth power on both sides. And as we all know that this eventually gets multiplied, so this gets cancelled. So you're left with x raised to 1, or we can just write this as nothing but x. This comes out to be 2 raised to 4 upon 3. Okay, so this is one way of writing your answers. Or I can also write this as nothing but what 2 raised to 4 cube root of 3. Okay, now understand this can basically means cube root of 2 raised to 4 means what, multiplying 2 how many times, 4 times. Okay, and how many digits we need to club in order to get it one outside the root, that is what cube root, right? So we are going to club, make a pair of what, or rather make a group of 3 2s. So once you have 3 2s, that comes out. So this can also be written as what 2, and then this cube root of this 2 will still go ahead inside the cube root. Either, so all of these, this is correct, this is correct, this is correct. You can choose whatever is your option given in the answer, or you can give all of these as your answer if there are no options given. Okay, so I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.